Joining me today on this live. If you are on Facebook or Instagram, please feel free to ask questions. Today we are going to talk about VAWA, but more specifically, we'll explore the importance of having a licensed therapist such as myself conduct sessions and provide evaluations to support your case. So we outline emotional, physical, financial abuse that you have endured. And as a therapist, I've worked with countless of survivors, both women and men, and I understand the challenges that you face. So let's start with what is VAWA. VAWA is a vital piece of legislation that seeks to protect and support victims of domestic violence. So, why is it important to have a licensed therapist conduct sessions and write evaluations? So, it's very important because you face so many challenges and you are seeking justice and you're trying to escape abuse. And having a professional therapist by your side can be a lifeline. So, emotional abuse is where it's a little more challenging to identify because it does not leave scars. But as a therapist, I can help articulate the emotional abuse you've experienced and provide evidence to help you support your case. So, again, VAWA is a federal law that was first enacted in 1994 to address domestic violence, dating violence, sexual assault, and stalking. And it provides important protections and resources for victims and aims to hold predators accountable for their actions. So we've already covered emotional abuse. Physical abuse is more visible, of course, and if you have evidence to support your case, if you've called the cops and you have reports, that's great evidence, but a therapist can also help you document physical injuries and their impact, the impact that it has had on your physical and mental health. Financial abuse is another form of abuse. It's more of power and control. And as a therapist, I can help you understand what types of financial manipulation you faced and the consequences and impact that it has had on your life and your children's lives. Having a diagnosis from a therapist is a powerful piece of evidence, and it can help your lawyer present a clear picture of the impact the abuse has had on your mental and emotional well being. It shows that the trauma you've experienced is real and deserves attention. So, when it comes to legal proceedings and having an evaluation from a licensed therapist, it can be a game changer. It adds credibility to your case, it gives your lawyer solid evidence to present, and it may influence the outcome in your favor. So, to all of the survivors out there, I want you to know that you're not alone and there is support. I am licensed in Georgia, Florida, Texas, New Jersey, and Alabama. My email address is therapyworks@gmail, and my phone number is 678-468-5090. It'll all be in the chat. And so thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this information has been beneficial, and together we are going to create awareness to make a difference, because